Lord, nakabot na ano.
For your safety and comfort, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you stand to get your bags from the bins. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. And
So guys, nabot namin.
overhead bins, as heavy items may have load during the flight. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw ng fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal.
Sa ati dala, kaya para si mong liog. Ito sa dyan, magputol.
On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Christine Tan, First Officer Arias Alvarez, and First Officer Nico